He's gonna be like, why are you videotaping me? Oh, there it is. It's here, CJ.
It's got the CLX logo on it.
Oh my goodness.
Awesome.
So exciting!
Thank you so much.
Well, what do we got?
It's
I've been waiting for that.
major, huge computer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a good box.
Right?
I got one more.
Awesome,
Okay,
thank
thank you.
you.
Let me muscle that in, you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you too. All right, I have received the crate, and now we are going to open it and look inside. I have already looked inside, but that's because they busted this side open. And this clasp right here is gone from the other side, and they threw it inside the box. So that was super helpful. But anyway, this is the deal. Let's take a look at it. There it is. I hope it is not damaged in any way. Should I take it out of the crate first, or should I open it and
Nah,
look at
just
it
open it.
first?
I don't know how you're gonna get it out of there.
Well, I see people in videos tip the whole box over and
Oh my gosh,
spill
just
it
open
out.
it.
Well, yeah, but what's the alternative? I don't have any other place to set it. And I can't even kind of get to it. I gotta.
Okay. It's heavy.
No.
It's like 100
Do you need
pounds.
assistance?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna... Oh my gosh, I don't have a better way to do this. I wish I had something to stick right there to slide under it. But I don't know what that would be. They probably did worse to this, don't you think?
Yeah, I swear the UPS guy like threw it
Smashed
above his head and
Okay, tilt it up just a little bit.
He picked it up like a man.
Wait, I want it to kind of...
like a beast. It's not working. Oh, there you go. I hear it.
Oh, it's got handles. Okay.
Oh dear.
Technical issue over there.
We've had casualties.
Spilled my coffee.
Okay.
Now we should probably take this
Woo!
right somewhere.
That is heavy by itself, so maybe a lot of this weight wasn't the crate.
How about you put my coffee over there
I don't think I should
and
put the
grab
crate on
a
top of this.
paper towel?
Do you
No,
want
I
to
don't think
carry
you
it
should
straight over
either.
this way?
Yeah. Get rid of this.
Oh my goodness.
Keep filling the box.
Okay, you're good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm all the feels. I know how much work is involved.
Look at all that packing. Congratulations.
Stuff it's got here. Looks good so far.
That thing
I'm
is
handing it.
huge.
Hand me this one too. I love that padding.
Oh my gosh, it's huge,
I hope it
CJ.
saves my system from damage. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Congratulations on the purchase. We pride ourselves. There's the system. It is a monster. There's other stuff down here on the sides.
It's huge.
That should be my software and possibly some cables and some extra pieces. Thank you for choosing. This is my accessory kit. Let's see what that's all about. I don't even know what I'm about to find here. Oh, okay. So these are extra bays if I want to put those into my system. Add hard drives. They gave me all the extra pieces. So these are all extra bays. Oops.
You're
And
my bae.
brackets. These are all brackets bays for the case. It came with the case. You know, I bought everything separately, basically. And then they build it for me. So this itself, this whole box, is for the case itself. Stick that in there for me.
I'm not sure this is gonna fit in the corner where your other one is.
I'm not sure it will. Well,
It's like
I'm not
twice
sure it
as
will.
big.
yeah. I want it to be able to be seen because the side of it's going to be open and it's going to have pretty lights.
Alright, we want to expose it a little
Cybertron
bit more.
PC. Let's see what's inside this one.
Whole bunch of cords.
Zip ties, cables, all kinds of extra cables if I want to change stuff. There's the power cable. That's pretty important. All the extra cables if I want to change things or add things. Here's all the things. They put it all in a box for me. And these are possibly books to the different pieces. So for example, here's the book to my motherboard. And here's the book to the power supply. And here's the book to, I don't know. Oh, the Lighting Node Pro. The digital RGB lighting controller that hopefully they've installed for me. I paid extra for that. So I can make the lights do cool things. Gigabyte 6 connector. So many things, I don't even know what they all do, but that's okay. No, it's inside the computer with the lighting strips. And it coordinates all the RGB pieces because everything has RGB pieces. The motherboard, the case, the memory chips themselves.
Wow.
Possibly the hard drive. I don't remember. I don't even know.
Everything will be pretty.
Like a schoolgirl. All right. Now what? I have no place to set this. I don't even know if I should take it out.
You should pick it
I should
straight up, and
look
we
at
should
it?
get the box out of the way.
But I'm going to want to put it back in the box for safety while we're moving this whole room around.
Oh, okay.
Don't you think?
You want to pause this, rearrange here, but continue the unboxing later?
No, well, because I still want to look at it. I still want to see it.
Pull it out.
Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's a little heavy.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to put this, or are you going to put that back in there?
That's the side that's open, isn't it?
Yes,
How's it look?
like it's saran wrapped.
Can't exactly see a whole lot.
I can't see you anymore. I think we're breaking up.
I can't turn it around. I can't put it anywhere.
You want to just put it back in there?
Here, scoot this box away for just a moment. We'll bring it right back.
Is there anything in the box?
Half the material and whatever cadence is for me. That guy is a hippie. Oh, I broke it. Kinda can't see anything, huh?
You still have to peel the peely thing.
I don't want to peel any of the peely things yet.
Tempered glass.
Yeah, this whole panel is glass, so you can see inside it when it's on, and everything glows. Oh, we can see. We can see a little bit. This is all packing. I'm gonna have to open this up and take out all this packing right here, which is wrapped around all the components.
Like a big empty box.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Except more. All the good stuff's underneath here. Woo! Wow, so much to see, guys. Really exciting. Needs a new place to live. It doesn't look damaged, does it?
Nope.
They destroyed the box, but it actually looks really good. I'm very pleased to see. Alrighty, that's it for now. Alright, we've done a whole lot to get us to this point. It has involved the entire room moving around in a circle, but we've done it and we're this far along. We've got the old system now set up right over here. We've got the monitors set up right here. We are this far along and it's this exciting. And the new system is about to be born. We had an old system that lived right here, and the old system has now been moved right over here. The bookcase looks beautiful. The new system is over here, set up and working. There he is down there. And now we are ready for the new system to be born. We already have the monitors set up and the stand over there set up. We got our UPS down there all charged and ready to go. So that's what's going to happen next. We have taken it out of the box and we have set it on the desk for the first time. And we discovered this panel opens just like this. I have not played with anything else or looked at these panels yet. This is the packing. We're going to see if this can come right out. What do I need to do about this? What do I do about this? There's no instructions. I wonder how this works. I wonder how they attaches around things. Wow, look at that. Wow. There's the CPU attached to the Mega Fan, attached to the liquid cooling. Look at that motherboard in there. This is the monster video card right there. Man, unbelievable. Alright. I've actually got both monitors plugged in, but we're only gonna
Oh, you do?
have one. Well, plugged in.
Oh, like with power.
Right. Might be able to stretch. No, that's not. some setup. Here's the system blinking and whirring.
License agreement.
It's so pretty. It's so quiet. I am going to be able to do audio recording. The front's all glowy. Alright, we're going to do a little configuring. We'll be back. So here we are, it's a couple days in and we've got the system up and running. It's Tuesday, we've had a couple days of installing things and configuring settings and checking things out. Early on we discovered we did not have long enough cables to hook up both monitors. Those should be arriving any second now, so I can have both monitors. In the meantime, we've been playing around with the RGB and the colors and all the stuff that's in there. I'll show you another shot of that. And getting files copied over and getting programs installed. So haven't done a lot of playing with it except for some basic stuff. And lots more to go, so having a lot of fun. Here's how we look from this angle. We've got the system set up. It looks really pretty. We've got a bunch of stuff going on with the colors, and with the touch of a button, I can change the colors being used. So that's super cool. As I just mentioned, I only have one monitor going right now, but soon we'll have a second one up and going too. So that'll make us even more functional. Really excited about that. Very cool stuff going on in the web cave. And even more to come.
The internet is the jungle.